Okay, here we are at 16275 Collingham, 3-bedroom brick bungalow. We just wrapped up. Really pretty house. Beautiful street. All right, let's go inside, take a look. A little bit of cleaning to do, but let's check it out. Here we are, the entryway, new floor. Into the living room, fireplace, down the hallway, into the dining room. There's a stove here that we have to get cleaned and get in place. Kitchen, open to the dining room. New floors. All new cabinets, exhaust fan. All new kitchen. We go down the hallway, bathroom. New vanity, new toilet, light. Tub has all been reglazed. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And then here's upstairs that hasn't been cleaned. The carpet hasn't been replaced yet, but we'll show it to you. Nice size room. Nice big closet. We'll have new carpet up here shortly. And then down the basement. Here we are, we'll carpet these steps. Nice big clean basement though. We gutted everything that was down here and painted, and new utility sink, new PEX plumbing, all that good stuff. Water meters installed. Updated electrical. And that's it. 16275 Collingham.